Today we are gonna see the famous Mohabbat ka Sharbat. To make this we will need the watermelon. So cutting this watermelon in ninja style and making this watermelon into small cubes. Then we will need chilled milk and you can add ice cube to it, and we will need this Roohafza or you can use rose milk to it. Add adequate quantity and then you just have to mix it and add these watermelon cubes and mix it well. Your Mohabbat ka Sharbat is ready. It's an easy, simple recipe, very soothing in Ramadan time. Everybody should try this. And you can also add these basil seeds to have a very good flavor. It's simple but it gives an awesome taste. Trust me, your chill pil Mohabbat ka Sharbat ready. Cooking with Sunera, your Mrs. Ashik.